In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Intel High Definition DSP code 28 on Windows 11. So let's get started. For the first method, you have to right-click at the Start button and then open Device Manager. Here, expand the list for display adapters, then make a right-click, select Update Driver, browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers, but here you have to simply choose the driver that will work for you. Click on Next, and Windows will successfully update your drivers. After doing so, restart your Windows. Then go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator. So I'll be posting a command in here. This will also be posted in the description section of this video. Click on Next to troubleshoot for the playing audio, and once this is done, you just have to wait for this and follow the on-screen instructions, and once done, restart your Windows once again, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.